Welcome to my channel, good people. Robinhood. Robinhood is going public. Initial public offerings, known as IPO. And the company have selected the NASDAQ as the exchange for its public debut this year, according to report. So, what is the reward and risk in IPO for both Robinhood and investors? Grab a copper and then subscribe. Okay, let me quickly tell you a brief history of the Robinhood application. Founded on 18 April 2003 by Baiju and Vlad, who were roommates and classmates at Stanford. After graduating, they packed their bags for New York City and built two finance companies. There, they discovered that big Wall Street firms were paying next to nothing to trade stocks, while most Americans were charged a commission for every single trade. So they decided to change the status quo and headed back to California to build a financial product that will enable everyone to have access to financial market. Voila! Hallelujah! Okay, perhaps we'd like to know what IPO means and why most companies go IPO. Then stay with me. Well, IPO stands for Initial Public Offerings, and it refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public. When the stock of a company gets listed on the stock exchange for the first time. Okay, the next question should be, why would a private company go public? Okay, or what is the benefit of an IPO? Stay with me. Let me break it down further. You see, an IPO is a big step for a company, as it provides the company with access to raising a lot of money. This gives the company a greater ability to grow and expand. And the company paperwork, financial status like income statement, balance sheet, etc., becomes available to the public. Meanwhile, I strongly recommend you watch my video titled "What is IPO? TikTok IPO versus Robinhood IPO." You will see the clip at the end of this video. Moving on. Well, it looks certain, according to all reports, that Robinhood is set to launch the IPO very soon in 2021. However, the company has not yet filed officially for the listing. And if you'd like to know, at a point in time, Robinhood will have to file the S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Typically, it takes about 1 or 2 months for companies to make their debut once they file the SEC. Okay, if you ask me about Robinhood as a company, well, I find the company very interesting. You probably want to ask me, in what ways? Okay, you see, the company user growth, brand recognition, and then the valuation of the company. During an investment round last year, the company was valued at $11.7 billion, meaning it continues to be even stronger despite the game stock trading scandal. And I think you know about it already. Okay, now, I hope you are getting the picture. Alright, listen to this very interesting news about Robinhood. Robinhood gained 3 million users last month, February 2021, alone, according to estimate from JP Securities. Besides, the stock trading application has lowered the barrier to entry for millions of retail investors, setting the stage for one of the biggest public debuts of the year. The question is, why is this company still standing strong and doing very well despite several lawsuits and then the alleged scandal? Well, in my opinion, and of course echoed by many other investors, it's because the company which pioneered zero commission trading is still seen as the main gateway for young investors to access the market. Then, okay, that said, if you ask me about IPO, I'm still very skeptical about it. And again, please watch my video I mentioned earlier. I stated several reasons why I frown at IPO. Okay, let me tell you one or two of my reasons. And I will use Robinhood as a case study. You see, Robinhood has no advantage in terms of business mode. What do I mean? No worries, I'm still here. You see, we have the likes of big online brokerages and commission free. Listen to that, commission free too, whom Robinhood will have to compete with. I mean, the likes of Charles Schwab's, E-Trade, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, SAC Trade, Harley Invest, and then Weibo, TD Ameritrade. This is just in the state. We have our own in UK here. Okay, you are getting the picture. And what about competitive advantage, if you ask me? Well, I don't think so. And in terms of valuation, I say 11.7. I say at $11.7 billion. I say yes. However, Robinhood has what is called network effect, because as many people continue to use it, it creates awareness, and many more people have already joined the queue. Besides, the platform is user friendly and easy to navigate. Meanwhile, please, what is your opinion? Will you buy the IPO or wait after the IPO? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, here comes the best part. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. People, good people, we can do it. Okay, remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies and create jobs. Bye now, see you soon. Don't forget, watch the video I mentioned earlier. And thank you, bye now.